Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants in one day. First, combine your dry and wet ingredients to form a shaggy dough. Knead it for just a few minutes until it comes together, then let it rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While that's chilling, prepare your butter block. This crucial step ensures your croissants will have those beautiful, flaky layers we all love. Now for the lamination, which creates those signature layers. Roll out your dough and carefully enclose the butter block. Then, perform your first turn by folding the dough into thirds, like a letter. Chill the dough for 20 minutes to relax the gluten. Repeat this process 2 more times, ensuring a brief chill after each fold. This patient layering is key to achieving a perfect croissant. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape. Roll the dough to a consistent thickness, around 3.5 millimeters. Cut it into triangles, each about 10 centimeters wide at the base. Gently roll each triangle from the wide end towards the point, creating that classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet and let them proof in a warm spot for 2 to 3 hours until they look puffy. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush your beautifully proofed croissants with an egg wash for that irresistible golden sheen. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until they are deeply golden brown and wonderfully fragrant. They'll be crisp on the outside and tender inside. For more financial wisdom, check out the book linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.